confined space rescue training, it's something that a lot of companies shy away from, mainly because, you know, they think the rescue component, having guys with breathing apparatuses, SCBAs, creates a lot of complexities, which there are complexities when we're talking about confined space rescue. But the thing is, unlike our instructors who are with the Dallas Urban Search and Rescue Team, they have to adapt to pretty much any confined space entry possible, which there are several types. The good thing about companies knowing what their specific space is that they can plan ahead. They know what the hazards are, what any potential hazard could be. They have all their rescue plans set up ahead of time. So they can remove a lot of the unknowns. So what we do is we bridge that gap to be able to plan ahead, have people on standby, so they can get at least a good initiation of a rescue response before Irving Fire and Rescue shows up, before Dallas Fire and Rescue shows up. So that's what they're doing, is they're being able to capitalize on using their personnel who are there at that space already to initiate a rescue if they have to.
And we've come up with a really cool plan, a nice 2-day curriculum for the guys to get exposure to SCBAs, entry taglines, patient packaging, patient management, and all the things that come with how we do an internal-based rescue in confined space. So it's really all about trying to take the window of what does 911 give us when we call them, what's the capabilities and the time frame to get those resources to location, what can we do in the short term waiting on that to happen. Maybe we can get the rescue done before they even get there, which is good outcomes for our potential coworkers. We just base everything off of efficiency, using time to our advantage to try and effect a rescue sooner instead of later.